ngikhule ngikwazi ukusave at the age of 15 16 bengumashonisa mina my dad mangithi papa mntu kunemall my dad would give me 300 on a random day
team like ngisibona kuyi option
hey lol sorry for you
yeah team like is there an option
come to Istembu guys is difficult sifuna unemali Istembu is difficult if awuna mali you can't run because you are running different right now it's all about competition ufuna imoto lona nayo ufuna imoto private school zone even if it is what it is
another man's trash it's another man's
trash okay but like
No Cap Podcast up next.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell every time we drop anything, guys. You'll be notified, guys. No Cap is back, guys. As you can see, we got like new faces on our show, but old faces on the network. If you're new, please, guys, subscribe. You see, we are doing everything we can, guys, to give you a show, like a nice show, like a show. So please subscribe, guys. Tell umngani. I tell umngani so we can grow. We are so close to hit 2K subscribers. So like few more subscribers of us 2K guys. So please guys subscribe guys. As you can see I'm not alone guys. I'm gonna start. Which side am I starting? Am I starting the side or this side? Okay. Start lapho ne. Okay azishe lapho. Spetseba ntona.
What's up afethu your boy people the hero aka Mama's boy 19
Away.
What's up guys, it's your boy Sintandile Yellow Bone.
Away, yellow man.
Simon Buffett, you are back again like we never left. Local mayo unsako mabuza intombi ezibidombi usithola ukhohle untshela ukuthi ningakhohle upressa lela bell leya notification bell so that every time we drop nizithole niyabona bafethu sihlale silethe ushukele showing so siyangicela bafethu nisupporte okuncane nje ukuthumela nje ilink kumngane wakhe abukele lokho kusho okukhulu kithi
Danko.
Yeah. Servan
What
guys.
yeah. Okay, alright yeah.
Servan guys,
Yeah.
ntombi eningaphaphanga ke. Mazungu mathemputs.
I.
intombazane bathi ifoqo ifaqa intombazane ifaqa
Ngiyazi ukuthi bathini abantu abaneyifaqa.
But we wanna know now.
bathi shoot isikababa beshota so
Oh my goodness. So guys, you know me, I always tell you guys ukuthi ngithanda into etrendayo.
yeah
Everything lento ngathi ineshukela nje like ngiyathatha write some notes ukuthi you know what we have to chit-chat about these things. So ngibone isona I saw isona ya Ramaphosa. You mentioned something like from now this year they are launching a digital ID.
digital ID
What's that?
Yeah, meaning it's more like how can I put these things? You don't have to have Ilona. I don't know, but like
a smart card
no, smart card is already we are using smart card.
yeah
Now ngathi
ngisho like ngithi each you yabona i-Shoprite
Yeah.
ama extra save
Yeah.
yakwazi ukuyifaka ephone
yeah, artificial intelligence is among us. Guys.
yeah mara ngeke
We can't run away from
sinayo emafonini
already AI yona
ikhona emafonini
bangayifaki kithi iseya umosha umhlaba because uthola ukuthi kunzima ukuthi umntana acabange outside the box
Let's say ule hosoyiletha friendly AI or inuyabu yobuze ya.
how into ezokuthi grade 5 bekayibhala without even you understand
Yeah.
that's so uyithatha wena so
AI mina ngokuyiblame because let's say thola basinikeza assignment e1 elo.
Yeah.
So ke desi kanga ngifike ngibuza umetha. Nimethu sinikeza ama-answer afanayo. That's why remember bafike babuza ukuthi hayibo lo mntwana ngizela namagama mara bangathi alifundi angakwazi ukulifunda ijiki simoshe nayo.
But is it a bad thing though?
Ibad isithola kumele usifundele
mama technology ihlala isenza
ngavumi isithola
Because according to me, I think it's a delay yokuthi AI ikhona. but when you still wanna funda the
Let's
long
let's
way while it develop iko like AI is there to assist us.
Wena sithola shona awufundela ukunderstand, ufundela ukuyenza.
Yes.
Ufundela ukunderstand.
We write, we pass, we forget.
Imoto yakho yakuphi uyofunda ukudrive.
Yeah.
Manje ungafunda sofundisa unsakho ukudrive. Wazi lapho ukudriver?
Because
Ufundila maka sithole
Phela sithole mina ngithi.
I want to answer you on that.
Before ayenza lezi zinto zokuthi ayenza ama digital don't imali leyo on its own. Angaba yenza izinto ezwakhela abantu umsebenzi. Athathe le mali le afuna ukuyiwaste yena. Abuild izinto ezizoletha more money, more angazi ezizo reduce unemployment. Ayeke into ezidinga.
irate abantu abaphuwa ihigh.
Hayi man.
Abantu aba like
Abantu bagcine bazala 5 umuntu ngathi 2.5 iningi.
Come on,
abantwana boy 5 bonke bafuna ukuthi
singayali izinto while it is there to help us. AI is there to assist us.
I
feel like mina umuntu owayenza AI bekungathi ukuthi ufuna yabo but thina sesiyithatha ezi shortcut yayo yonke into.
Okay. Like banokuthi noma ufuna ukudraft letter. Uhambe ubuzwe AI. Bakunikeza wena unprepared speech. Uhambe uyiprepare ku AI.
Sikhuluma mina manje.
Okay.
Okay guys, na AI ne like it good iphinde ibe bad at the same time.
Why
because
it bad?
okay, it good ngokuthi like emqondweni singabantu asifani sonke guys. Khona namagama lawa like ongawazi ukuthi aminani yangithola uhamba uyelapha ku AI
uyazizwa
uyasimplify mofika lapha iyakuthina
sithi kuwe
ngezindlela
wena usunderstandanga sithi kuwe basinikeza iletter bathi amobhala iletter ngongona kwakushiya
mara
when uyahamba uyotshela
nina
That's why mina ngi-emphasize iside elip because thina as abantu nje sesichoose you know mabangathi lapha kuyaqashwa nayiline ama CV nayiline ukuthi itshontsho uzungene. Will you take the long way ukuthi ufone CV or uthathe so AI iyasmosha cause knowing you mean you know the word energy since ngayifunda from grade 4 I know the meaning but imagine if bengikhula kulesikhathi sika AI then basihamba nokugula energy ukuthi mina then mina ngilapha ku AI the meaning of energy and angifundela ukuyibamba ngifundela ukuthi ngiyophendula kusasa eklasini
yathola mina I think ukuthi mawuzoya ku AI
Yeah.
let's say khona igama elihlulayo ibombe statement uyahamba uyobuza ku AI uyahamba uyabuza yakutshela uyocompare to iGoogle nodwa ungafika ubhalwe AI ama answer umshutha lefana na ChatGPT yabo izinto lezi ezifanayo
ayitheni into eyi-1
once on fault uzokubhalela
ayasmosha
yonke esithole mawumuntu kumele ufundele ukuthi ngizoyikhumbula nto ungafu phela examine AI suka ngeke kuphi usendlini
ukusala AI yasiza
usendlini
yasiza
yazi why
mina siza nini
yes
I see.
abacleve esikoleni labantwana labo waziyo lo mntana angahamba ku AI but trust me ukuthi uzothatha 30% from AI then 70% ufakani umcabango wakhe but mina ngiyaku AI ngiyithatha injalo ngiyibeka injalo because you're not learning anything uya ku AI bakunikeza itopic ku LO uya ku AI ubuza AI wonke ama meaning then uthatha wonke ama meaning uwafaka ephepheni ufunde
Neat.
I feel like
ukuthi AI ukuncedile
okay guys AI movie
mina I feel like ukuthi AI ne mele ufundele ukuyazi into noma ungayifeila fundela ukuyazi wazi ukuthi iyangiprovide mawazi ukuthi wena uresponsibility umeleni ungafundi ukuyobuza AI phela ezonikeza nama example ka responsibility akunikeza
that's AI
and most of abantu bathatha into wrong
abantu ntwana ne look TikTok came ne
read to understand not read to answer
TikTok came ne so I'm thankful for that
why when uzoyibona ungathi iAI into engcono maybe so old enough no like mamela thola umntana wena AI maybe introduce wenza grade 12 or 11
yeah vele 12
thola umntana omncane manje umntana omncane yonke into encane kune difference between ukufunda nokufunda ukuze understand into
yeah
AI ukwenza ukuthi like ukuthi angazi excel or instead of learning because imagine manje uyazibhalela homework yayifaila sase kuseni uyahamba bayo correct trust me ngeke uyikhohle
Nzako what I'm trying
mara
to
ngo AI bazothi
look abantu ne
anisimamele ukuthi
abantu bana a short time span to it's either to read. People don't buy dictionaries anymore. Right? So people have like short time to focus on things that matters. That's why even you guys don't know ukuthi Ramaphosa ukhuluma ile nto le ukuthi sona or later kunama chip na. Do you understand? You don't have time to listen to a sona. You understand? Le nto enifuna it's summary ukuthi babakhuluma ngani ku sona. Then izoka highlighted even yona le AI ukuthi okay upresident ukhulume ngekuthi home affairs uzoqala ukulontsha ilona whatever lento yama chip or whatever yama ID yakhona na. Do you understand? People have short time span ukubukela I podcast for 1 hour ne it have to be exciting episode.
Yes.
For me to wait for that long ukubona ukuthi oh okay no care be like okay like it's something people like watch 5 minutes but yabhora lento into the next
but then asithola nesithini AI
Nana
yazi ngitshela something uze ubone umeme ndiwe angakhona ukunikeza i-textbook ngiyabhala eklasini anikeza ama meaning but like define the following terms banibhalela uma terms bantshela ukuthi nizoyipage nelinjani wena ngoba umntana angazi uzothola njani ufuna ukugijimela ku-AI and amathatha ukubheka i-AI ne ake kuphe same ama-answer fana naku-textbook fana ku-history i-essay nongakumemanga kunikeza i-essay history wonke umuntu uzogijima kubuze ngabo Hitler lapha yakubhalile i-essay ka-Hitler yonke
then when uthatha ama-bullet points
washuthi usithole uyafunda
awumuntu akathatha
ama-notes for
no but like eChat GPT you know how it does if you ufuna like let's say bathi bhala 4 pages about Hitler uyayitshela uthi AI ngifuna 4 pages
AI before inceda ithi because siyancedana
retro essay I'm going to
ubhale wena
on your own understanding
then after mina I will try to help you so AI ukuthi kulearning kukhulunywa ngani AI trust me uzokunikeza i-history
learning wafanda
and the history AI guide akusiyo yonke le ifunde
esikolweni ayihambisani ne-syllabus yabo
I can say AI iyanceda because these days awusayifili into yokuthenga umntana i-dictionary that's true but ku-dictionary at least bowuhamba uyofunda ukuthi maybe igama eliso liminani ku-AI just usenda ukuthi likuminani ukuthi substitute then AI substitute what then when you don't learn anything you just take i-meaning ufake encwadini kusasa uthi congratulate what did you learn
and abomember bayabona ukuthi bayabona
iyasinceda but as much as isinceda
ubheke ku-listening and comprehension uzobona
ngiyayibona i-AI le ukutype encwadini ya Facebook le ama paragraph hayi ayisebenzi ayisifani abo I love you paragraphic emojis kusifaka lezi izinto
nina masses lona
but guys that's where we are now
like laba mina sithole laba ne bayangibhora cause ba busy bathi
angithi uzaringe niyaringe
and then ningangivali ne ngifuna
ukukhuluma yazi ubani umuntu azokhuluma kanje you know and you know ukuthi into uyayenza trust me
ngizoba honest ne mina i-subject ebengishaya esikoleni i-history story history befika nama-bombastic words amagama amakhulu ungayazi meaning bengizoya ngiyaya vele kumeda
mamela mama uzotshela mama mamela uyofunda ukuthi igama elikanje limini
Limini
awuyomfuna i-say there's a
abantu abaningi mamelani guys abantu abaningi vele bathatha i-AI for granted bayenza lezi
Thank you.
mara i-AI is meant to assist
kulento
ngimile lapho kusala noma bangathini
wena mngani wena lo iseyakhe ka-grade 12 ubhale ngo-AI that's why
uzukhwanazi ukuthi bekuyi-AI na noma ingqondo yakho
no akumakho umkhwanazi mama
during the year phela During the year.
akumakho umkhwanazi uyafunda
AI must
no wena siphi uyangichaza uyayibeka ukuthi
Okay, guys,
beyingishaya mara kungazithola igama elibhalwe digital bengiya ku-AI ngiyosesha ukuthi digital uminani shuthi that's why ngithi AI asisebenzisi ngendlela efanayo wena you only use AI assistant ngegama ungali-understand or ngento
yabo
abantu balazy siphiwe umuntu uthola ukuthi ulazy ukubhala i-homework i-homework yakhe yonke ibhalele i-AI
injina ngoba ile-camera
ubheke mina you know
uthele yonke into akube wonke amanzi into ethi ungashuthele cabanga bakubuza
Evaluate AI
kodwa
no
relationship advice how do you guys feel ngale nto lesithembu ungayiphenduli ngama-feelings just answer
mina kuqala ke isithembu mina ngokwami
ogcina
angisiboni secret isithembu because angeke like boy2 baka uthando lufanayo wathi umuntu nomuntu unothando lakhe different lo akaka uthando lufana njengalo manje isithembu mina ngeke ngisithathe as
Okay.
isithembu like angisiboni kuyi option
lol sorry for you
yeah isithembu like is there an option right umuntu wayo yeah isithembu kona ngathi sakubhalela ama channel kwezinye izinto
askis shema nazogcina asiyasithole
Okay, mina when it comes to Istembu guys is difficult. Sifuna unemali. Istembu is difficult. If awuna mali, you can't run because you are running different families. Each and every person unama personalities wakhe, ufuna ukuba ku space sakhe. Phela akusafani nakudala ukuthi nizoba lihlala like egcene li1 kuneyindlulana yaka mamncane, mamkhulu, bantu yes. Right now it's all about competition. Ufuna imoto lona naye ufuna imoto. I-private school zone. Even if lawyer uyakhona ukusebenzela, but ngoba abantwana bakhe baye private nabantwana bami kumele baye private. So inhlupeko kuwe usenzayo than kulabo abantu bathathileyo. Because if you have that much cash, of course you can.
Also though before kubeka so wena uthi sithole isithembu usiboni kuyinto right ne because unzi inhlupheko through lo or mancane makhulu so
no for wena
like
let's say
not laba bantu bathathile
yeah let's say wena sithole ushadile akakuphi lento efunayo yakwazi ukuganga ngathanda ukuganga ngokuminye imizi
no wewe ngiyoganga kuphi
kweminye imizi not like awumshadanga lo like natshontshana
okay like okay
what do you ask ukuthi ubhizi
okay ntwana like give me example ukuthi let's say angitholi yini endlini for example is it
we have to be honest Sithole angeke size sibeke something etafuleni you know sometimes enough yomuntu is never enough.
Yes, thank you.
But like, look. Okay, I hear you, ne? But like, at least give me something good. Okay. If I'm niggas in, cause
let's say endlini uneras.
Yeah.
But no side chick you find peace.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's possible for me to go and cheat if.
And umzalise. Uzomtshela kanjani umakoti ukuthi sengimoshile phela ngale. Uzenza
I think ngcono nesithembu.
Kanti ngcono nesithembu.
Isithembu guys, isithembu. Okay, let me give you example ngami. Mina nginomntana ngaphandle. Nabantwana endlini. Ne? So it's easy to do co-parenting. naloyo muntu loya mhlambe ugange naye and everything than to hlala nabantu. Uyamazi umuntu ukuthi usinda kanjani ntwana. Maybe it's because when you have been mina like I've been in on my relationship for 17 years.
Sabawell.
We understand this? For 17, near 15 now. It's like 15 after Valentine's.
Yes.
It was our anniversary.
Yo.
It's number 17 years.
Yay.
So it is not easy. It is not easy. Ukulona nomuntu yazi umuntu ntwana kunice manje because niyatshentshana like right now like ngimshayile lo yana, but to stay with somebody who's you are not going to change na angafani neblue kuphela umuntu ukuthi kusasa change uzoyema the price you change uqobo umuntu, you get
Size mayakulingana mbo.
exactly. Okay, so it's very difficult.
Mina guys uzophendula Simpiwe?
Yeah, makaphendule simuzwe Sithembu.
Okay, alright.
Sithembu guys, mina ngivumelana noSithole.
Yeah.
Like Sithembu nezidinga ukuthi like ube nomqondo, ube nemali. Because kumele uwondle phela. Angeke phela uzube nomfazi la wondle la ungondle lapha yana. Noma kuthiwa lo mama lo uMadlamini unemali zakhe uzofuna wena uprovide still, yabo. So Sithembu ngifuna ngathi kumele uzazi indaba zakho. Kumele uzazi indaba zakho. And nana futhi ukuthi mangathathi Sithembu futhi ukhetha ukuthi uzochita naye leyo nje amasimba nawo.
Awufasi uchitubela le.
Ka uchitelani
Ntwana
Mawunyanyeka
ufayisa inkinga zakho. Mina yoba
ungachiti lebibi.
cheater for easy.
Complicated feelings of his team.
okay.
Maybe let's say I used to believe in his team. Maybe because I tried even though I tried to for situation.
Where you have like multiple girls and stuff. Yeah.
In terms of I have complicated feelings. You can love them the same. Ungabathanda the same because bonke ba provide. Trust me, once you get involved nabantu too, ba provide izinto different boy too.
That's very true.
Yeah,
And they too they benefit kuwe.
Mina ngibenefit
Ngimela mama. But I think we have to consider my feelings.
Yeah.
Abantu esuke sinabo at that time.
Yeah.
And given a chance to try it again, angeke mina ngizama again because you know you lose people. Mawufuna because when remember ma went to Sithembu ufuna uachieve whatever when they believe kuyo. Ukhohle ukuthi lo muntu onayo nama feelings.
Naye ufuna into zakhe. Do you understand?
It's either you stick ne problem onayo at that time or uhambe uyeke kulo ocabanga ukuthi you can find better.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because ngike ngazifana, but I used to believe in Sithembu like for real.
Like guys,
I was like,
Sithembu is not
hey
the way.
mama,
It's not the way.
Sithembu is very difficult, bro.
Nisho nami umsebenzi
Tina bro like
emotional, like physical, you have to be strong. Sometimes you have to so to understand Tamilang usuke nama frustrations akho akamabuza wayise kamanzini ngoba nomanzini angiqabananga and cabanga ukwatile you are furious ubuyolwa nomuntu ngento serious kumele ukuthathe konke ukubeke aside because lo akahlangana with whatever le ogona
mina guys like abona khona nje impela manje ngikuthule lo by two ele boy two bangena amachichi boy
Judy angeke ujole namachichi
Tsako lo munye like singathi ungena amachichi ungena ingoma ungena ingoma like uyatulela namachichi makasebakasebakempini
manje ngoba camera bayazi
bathu bayano understand so izinto zokuthi
advice from
uzangitshele mina guys ne so kube into ukuthi beba bonke campini awusithola bayabuzana ukuthi banojela nomunye lo mina naye bese sihlukene kuyidala yabo so lo utrigger muphi lo munye so usithole like mayibuye engqondweni yami ne lo ngisesenama feelings wakhe naye lo sesama feelings wami yabo so sithole manje nami into engishayile ukuthi uze ki wathi sishuthe mina vele akicabangi lutho ukuthi uzoposta I'm 10 girl thole siyashutha ngiyamngabuza ngibamba ibunu kube isitezi on u-status usicima sonke bavula ugela ewayo asintshathela sithole mina thole yabo so mina
inkinga yesithembu
into fukuyenza manje laba into fukuyenza manje mfuku bahlala abayithu like phansi
Kasi ngeke
What?
erumini okay ifavu
angeke azakubona Sithole uyangibona mina ngiyazama I wanted to save a day ngifuna batshela ukuthi lalela Ntombi yami le wena Ntombi trust me angizange ngibe nama
Bro, it's very difficult. I don't know.
Advice from me to Thandi. Thandi ukhona lo mthanda khona lo ongafuna ukumluza trust me uzoluza lo ongafuna ukumluza because of the situation. That's why ngithi mina ngina ma complicated feelings ngento yesithembu. You know manje yazi no ku-easy ngoba you know ukuthi lo uyakuthanda lo uyakuthanda Thandi.
Choose one and
What isithembu asebenzi manje umselebu lapha khona ukumela ekhanda khona umthandayo
physically emotional right umselebu
Ko right umselebu uyagula hamba medical care kanjani nxa isithembu abafazi
abayifuna uzoluza lo wena omncwasela kakhulu
Thembeni
kuze uzuchoose nje ufebelani
uzowonda emzimbeni nxa isithembu
hayi simphiwe manje konke ilanga lo yoza kufundisa one thing ntwana maybe wonke ama-couple into emele ayifunde le uma uxabana
wait ibambe kanjalo wonke ama-couple kumele ayifunde ne
yeah into ende my 5-year relationship
cheating
ukuba ukucheata even though at that time bengingasacheat but ukuba involved nomuntu obe like obvious obe too attached kimi wabona need yokuthi post even though singekho
kwani people don't want to see other people happy but just because when you were happy
but emotional yabona truly speaking emotional relationship yami ne I don't want to lie emotional because I lost someone even survivor now. You know when you survive with someone shoot you guys like whatever
I'm ups and downs
so I was surviving nalo yampilo like yo sibancane ne but went from ups and downs now but guy
it is what it is
another man's stretch it's another man's
stretch okay but like okay I have another question guys ne what do you think about chiefs ne like a chief
no
that's why what do you guys think about chiefs like chief as a chief of a village
yes
I'm not talking about Amakosi
how yazi wathi chief
chief
sababo
Okay guys, what do you think about abadala who takes abantwana abancane including abantu basemkhosi ebukhosini nelona and church members
mina ngibona bathatha advantage ukuthi baba chief
and you know those churches like the S
yeah
but and then you know they separate ama-virgins nabo mama sebazizinto why do they do that because isonto enesonto awuyithanga ukuthi
becaba umntana osana 15
and lento le yenzeka kakhulu kuwo la masonto lawo ngashoyo you know it's because angeke sithi sisesontweni wena socabanga ukugruma someone umenza umfazi
Like-
at the age of 25 ngiyojwana ukhulu na 58
ujump so masona 37
Umfazi wesine.
uyobe sowudlala ama game uthi I'm healing the inner child ngoba wena phela usujahile
mina
nakhona uphapha ukuthanda izinto
ngingabaleka kulela sonto
ukuthanda izinto
No, I feel like Ishembe, as much as I understand it's a church, I
Now,
respect
Hlonipho
isonto
yakho.
yeah,
Hlonipho.
but I feel like bapusha ne-agenda yokuba ama-pedophile because angeke sithole uthi even if una 20 something angeke ubheke umntana ona 14 then wena you see your future wife.
and angeke
Imagine ikhehle lingana nawe selibona umntanakho as a
uthi
future
wena
wife.
baba uthi wena mzali uyavumela lento leyo
so ufuna ukuthi uyi-chief
I feel like we should allow
noma
kids
yina
to be
ngamshada
kids.
manje
At least maybe if you are 40 something then you come back nomuntana wama 20 something no muntu sekane right uyazichuzela ngathi right sekayazi okay this is the man I want.
phela lesonto khona
mina yabona
Before we start, sinikeza ngesikhathi.
ngisonta khona ne kodwa ngiyisupport lento ayenzekayo ayikho right vele because esikhathini esiningi like bathatha intanga zami like ubaba omdala umbona ukuthi lo ugudi nje kuba ubaba
You know I used to work here okay khona umunye ikhehla hambe nengane encane bazothenga igrocery esendlini and I'll ask myself ukuthi lo muntu ngabe ingane yakho ngabe uyayala ngabe like beside ama jokes ngabe wenzani ngabe uyikhomba indlela wena ubona umfazi uyamlala umntana omncane
ika umuntu ongakuthandela abantwana kini
yes abantu labathatha
ukhulumile
nasithole
nasithole ngajili kashembe nje
I feel like lento leyo ukuthi you know abantu abadala mabekhula bobona intombi kaSibanibani bengibona intombi le kaRkhotho ngihambe ngiya kumama kaRkhotho ngithi hayi mani sengibona
Noma bakhala siyazi ukubona sebakhala umshadweni
uKhotho I would like to take you down then bafana ukuthi bakidnap abakumele ukuthi uvume ukuthi wena ufuna lela khehle why should we bring
Okay,
this kind of
okay.
stuff down this customer?
So wait, so laba bantu laba ne? Because Dimbos, you're saying you go to that church ne? Batata abantu like batata amantombazane to become their wives just because bashonela or nabafazi
ukhona nje nothatha
Like ngicela ukubuza wena Zuma.
Mawazona nje
When they separate
type yamlanda
yeah
why mele ba separate ukuthi wena ma virgin mele uye ngapha kule side
kashembe ungathola ugogo nawo
you know wena sithole if una 16
manje
yeah
if una
bese
16
uthola umntana ona 14 omdala
wena uhambe uya side labo mama ngoba wena sowulalile noma una 15 as long as uyazi wena
yebo sithole ngithi mina kashembe
yabona sithole
ngisho nomntana
because namamamne ukuba ubuza sithole athi umamam like ntombazane mangathiwa like because mina ngisayisontweni manje because into ukuthi ngithanda amantombazane nini nje kimi so umama ke wangibuza sithole athi no athi like masingaye esontweni wena ungahlala kuphi like ungahlala because angithi ihlukanisile khona amatshitshi khona bomama like manje super kidla nabo angibuza umama athi like monga like masingaye esontweni manje ungafika uhlale kephi wena nakhuluma athi uhlala nabo mama yiki into engizoyenza phela angithi ngimthethwa kulelo sonto lelo and mina into engifuna mina guys yabona ne ulokuthi ugogo wami guys ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ne and mangathi manje ngiyaphuma angisafuni ukusonta kaShembe ngimfuna inhliziyo ugogo wami guys yo
That's crazy, bro.
kodwa nje mina esontweni
I thought you would see they do these things just because umuntu ushonelwe ngumfazi ne so ufuna
anabafazi abayi3 wamaka 2000 lemchazayo yathatha
no moya check
kone 2000 nje yathatha
you get why mele ufike useparate from abo mama namajiji why mele babone ukuthi laba bakaze bathinta amadoda why is it so important you know mina I learned something if manje emasontweni umnikelo it's about giving money dala umuntu bekanikela nyenye anyanisi umuntu bekanikela ngempuphu ngalokho nako unikela but why is it about money Why many more like you get 12 apostles or whatsoever. You get to go to have to contribute as 15 or 10 or 30% of your salary. Why is it about man? Why bangati? If you're earning 3,000, you contribute 300. Why bangati go 300? Go and buy into so donate to you can prioritize money over anything.
For abantu in need via lezo zinto.
You get
if I don't lesithole ukuthi abantu abasejele bane shelter kodwa labahlala ngephandle abane shelter. I understand.
And abantu abasejele
kube umfundisi after 2 months so drive umshini
umuntu ambe kazofona athi you know ejele uyamisela umuntu osejele ukudla
manje insipho yona bayesearch sithole ukudla akusearch.
Let's not shy away from whatever I'm talking about. Guys. Umuntu makasejele uyamthuma and then my brother will call ukuthi yo nina 2 months in years and I'll be like at least wena ulala udlile. What about us? Thina if asivuka ngasayozama ayikho into esolala sidlile. Wena weruzamile werubulala umuntu werurape umntwana wena wenza uzolala
losela ngaphansi.
No ngafala
That's why khona umntwana losithole washo.
Wena ngaba nge-lockdown.
Siphila iqiniso emhlabeni
wamanga. Noma ngaba ne-lockdown, trust me umuntu osejele uzolala tholile.
Noma ukuthi ijele lokho ngo2 wemini. Ulala dlile, ulala.
Doesn't matter ukuthi sina ngo8, siyasidlo ngo12, siyasidlo ngo4. Badlile labantu laba.
Mina before I was working like I used to tell girlfriend ukuthi you know mina umama usanokuphuma ngashiyana isinko. Ayenge ngimbuze le no bebahamba bangishiya endlini kana sinko nganani baye esikoleni. And angaze ngimela umama mnyenya uthi washiyana. You know bengizosibamba isiso until umama mabuye ngabo 4 azothi ngizama into so ithi ngisheshe ngipheke ngoba ngiyanazi ukuthi andlanga. Abantwana mababuye esikoleni abadlanga. Then we eat.
That's crazy.
Come back to wena osejele.
Wona sithela uphila kamnandi. Awusebenza na hard labor utholayo. Like awufukuzi kanzima.
Nasithola inhliziyo yami ebhlungu e-complex. Umntana ongaka sithole uhambe uyodobha amabhodlela. Angibuze noSimphiwe ne. Sithole uphethe isaka uhamba ngenyawo isaka. Masiphela basithi ukuthi nesaka lakho. Like sithiwa nje. So uyaziwa ke wena ukuthi unesaka. Sithole mangibuza ukuthi elakabani athi ngidobhela umkhulu wami. Ngakho ngazibuza ngathi sithole mama lo mntana uthini. Yana sithanda ukuthi umkhulu. Kodwa umzali uthile umntwana makayodobha ama.
Mhlambe udobhela umkhulu ukuthi umkhulu azokhona ukufonela i-truck le.
Yes, I understand.
You know sometimes pressures are nokhula. To tell you what Simta manje ungamgolozela mama nanye ngiye esikoleni ngana 10 care. Trust me kusasa qedile isikolo ohleli nomzali you see umzima womzali ahamba through bona before ubuye esikoleni ukuthi uzothola isinko. Trust me angeke usaphinda umbuzo ukuthi why ngana sinko why nganani
hayi thina abanye nansa khona understand.
Mina you know guys
mina from give me
from my mother because
mama uyasebenza like mama uya like akasebenzela abantu uyayisebenza yena sithole kodwa there's a time ukuthi ibusiness ingahambi there's a time ukuthi ibusiness ihambi so sithole ngama Sunday uyabona Sunday wonke umuntu udlile usuka adlile ene maso adlile usuka hamba ile ayophuza but doesn't expect ukuthi bathenge ini ukudla. That's why ngithi ngama Monday imali onayo ngiyayamukela. It's because ngiyazi mangibuye esikoleni usuke ngilambile.
I got you.
Uthola ini isinkwa. So umuntu mawakho pressurize ukuthi hey abangani bami ungafisi impilo yomngani wakho. Ngoba wazi ngona ukuthi fanele nokuthi wena uthola
you know
waqinile
emphasize kule part le ukuthi sometimes you know mina ubaba used to give us everything. But ubaba makathakana mali you know bengizohlala so angiya esikoleni.
Yeah, oh what that thing.
Yeah, I was very young. Bengazi ukuthi baba would give me imali yokhera nemali yamagunya ekseni. imali yamagwinya iphume emalini yokukhela and then imali yokudla after school imali yokudla after school ayiphume emalini yokukhela so I have imali yokudla ekuseni amagwinya I have imali yokukhela I have imali yokudla after school so
sole manje bakuphi 20 rand 20 rand mele ucabangele ukuthi hey 5 rand amagwinya abayi5 10 rand amagwinya amasikoleni i5 rand bangibuye esikoleni
ngone nabanipha nemali namachoko mina ngithola ifokol yeah Bayazibhandela imali yokukhela
guys ubuyela kule nto le kasithole yabo baba basesontweni ama-pedophile nabantwana laba abasobolayo esikhathini esiningi wena sithole ne like ama-teenager ayavuma ukuthi like ubaba omdala amshade futhi i-situation asendlini because obviously abantu abobaba abadala
bapressurize ubani so ukuvala abazali
abomama
because umama uzothi mntanami unemali
unama-taxi
mntanami uzoletha into so and not ukuthi wena uyakuthengisa ezumntwana ukuthi yena akwazi
mina sithole mina for mina
ufuna wena impilo ahlulekile ukuzinika
baba useless baba ngithatha nje ungazitholele past like ama-weekend ngithi mfethu kuye
mina sithole mina
bamthole washona ngangikhazi nasi ngiyafunga ngiyagomela nasi nefamily
yabona mina one thing I'm proud ngami I'm proud of ngami it's because mina I grew up having everything on a silver plate but angaze nginyathi impilo trust me sithole ngikhule ngikwazi ukusave at the age of 15-16 bengumashonisa bengifuna ukugenerate more of what I have angaze ngisadvantage ukuthi ekhaya ngithola everything so ayikho need yokuthi ngisebenza ayikho need yokuthi ngihloniphe omunye umuntu because mina my dad mangithi papa mntu kunyamall my dad would give me 300 on a random day ukuthi hamba you know me umuntu okhule athola yonke into trust me ngeke afane nami mina I know life mina yabo sithole mina ngithanda ibhiya
mina baba sithole
ibhiya aside wena
abo bethu nje amaboka igama
mina sithole mina bamne noma ngeza manje ngizothi mfethu we because thola ka understand ukuthi umuntu lekudlala ibhola akakho supportive babami
like azo
baba ngina 10 yazi mina ngifowami sasina question and ngifuna waphendule kuthi wayekuphi yonke le 6 years and then to be honest in
mama ko
to honest umama ko wafika
into yabazali
yes that's why mina sitholele ever get mama mi ngiyamcela into le ngibona ukuthi uyasokola mara nginobhuto i-backup ibhuto ngibize zibabami because wabu useless babunaka abantwana ahlala nabo kodwa mina mangathi ngicela something ukutshela into
motivation kuwe thani ukuthi sasukhule usebenzele iOLED lakho trust me mina ngivuka ngimtshele iOLED lami ukuthi ungabinendaba nobanene I'll do into sona so for ubanene because I know ubanene is my little brother last born ka babami you know umuzi you know if in that born ka babami ngisana ukuhlangana nayo nje strategy sithola trust me mina I provide for everyone esempilweni I make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu esempilweni nami because you know that's why it's mina ngikhule yonke into ngithola une silver plate but akekho umuntu okhule ethola into one silver plate or appreciate life like mina
guys so come next week
guys let's wrap up guys because better life here
word of the day
okay
word of the day I need to appreciate into nayo mono baba no mama na yonke into
awe
mina it's not about parents it's about seeing your struggles and trying to kusasa wa struggle in the way to struggle ngkhona mhlawumbe
awe
ndona mithi basize nokada
yes
and then nami ithi nje siphile wena nje ungabi nendaba kabazali siphile wena
bengithi uzothitha umuntu wakho phela
Red mina njani.
Unakekele olezi.
Siza no cut. Okay guys, please guys subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell every time when we drop guys. No cap, we're here guys. Subscribe ne? Siyabuya.
Ngakakhulumi lokhulumayo uNtsako wezinto.
Awe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification bell so that every time we drop a video.
Drop your comment.
Subscribe, man. Subscribe, man.
So that every time we try to cheat you, no, cheating is not